In this video, we're gonna see a Gnucash. Gnucash is a free open source accounting software designed for individuals and small businesses. It provides double entry bookkeeping, financial tracking, and budgeting tools to help users manage their personal and business finances efficiently. Some of its features: it ensures accurate financial tracking by maintaining balanced books, allows users to categorize and monitor financial transactions over time, and generates detailed financial reports, including profit and loss statements, balance sheets, and cash flow reports. Some of its pros: it offers powerful accounting tools without subscription fees. It supports international transactions and portfolio management. Also, it's available on Windows, macOS, and Linux. But the user interface is not as modern or intuitive as some commercial alternatives. It requires some accounting knowledge, making it less beginner-friendly, and it does not easily connect with third-party financial or banking apps. So, Gnucash is a great choice for individuals and small businesses looking for a free and robust accounting solution. While it has a learning curve and lacks some modern features, its double-entry bookkeeping, detailed reporting, and cost-effectiveness make it a solid option for managing finances. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.